Hi, Michael. How are you? How are you? Hey? Are you taking the shovel? Are you shoveling? Are you okay? You okay? Oh, you don't need to kiss the shovel if it falls down. It's kind of dirty. Yeah. You probably don't want to do that. Very nice of you, though. Oh, are you working on Mommy's bush? Nice job, Michael. Hey. Michael, good job. Hey, cutie pie. Do you want dinner? Do you want to go eat dinner? No? You're not hungry?
No.
Okay. Are you mowing the lawn? No? Going to play? Hey, Michael. Michael. Hello. What's going on with Dukes? Is he okay? Is he okay? Is he coughing? Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going in such a hurry? Huh? What are you getting? Dukes' ball thrower? That's nice of you. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Love you.